Hello guys. I've ordered side a mirror bracket phone holder but the seller sent me the handlebar type. Okay. Broken shifter bracket, 2 washers, 2 Allen bolts. Sorry, I only had a dull bit. After boring the bracket, I smoothed it using the grinder. I can't find any grommet for the bracket, but I found this washer, so I did some adjustments to fit inside the bracket and the side mirror's thread. This is an old switch for my passing light. Anyways, it's long been defective, so I made a hole for the wire for the charger to penetrate. Napaka mo. Hahaha, you stupid dumb. Finally. For the wirings, just connect them to an accessory line with a switch, or with a relay, it depends on you. So this is the initial output. The bracket though is not flexible, but it's in a perfect position. So this is the last thing I did. Not me, seller.